Welcome to this lecture on idle and run animation setup. Let's dive into it. Go to the blueprint folder, right click and create a new folder. Name this folder animations. Go to the animation folder, right click and in the paper Z select animation source. Name this anim source warrior. Open this anim source. All the animation that we use in our game is added in the source, and then we will use this animation source in our blueprint. So we will add new animation by pressing add button. Name this new animation idle. In the animation data, select drop down and search for idle animation. Select the idle animation. You can see that the idle animation is added to the animation source. Similarly, we will add another animation. Name this animation run. In the animation data, in the drop down menu, select run. Add another animation. Name this animation jump. In the animation data, search for jump. Add another animation. Name this animation falling. Search for fall. Add another animation and name this dash. The animation data, search for dash. Select dash. Add another animation and name this animation fire breathe. The animation data, search for fire breathe. Add another animation and name this animation fireball. And search for fireball, throwing fireball. Most of the animation we have added in this animation source. Add another animation and name this animation attack 1. Search for attack 1 animation. Select it. Add another animation and name this animation attack 2. Select the animation attack 2. Add another animation and name this animation attack 3. Search for attack 3. So we have added a bunch of animation. Save these animation and close the animation source. Save all. Right click, go to the paper ZD and select paper ZD NMBP. Select the source we have created and name this NMBP BP warrior. NMBP underscore warrior. Open up this NMBP. On event on int, this is the anim graph, event graph. In the event graph, we'll search for get owning actor in the paper ZD character. From the get owning actor, search for cast character, BP character, attach it to the event node. From the as BP character, promote this to a variable, compile and save. In the anim graph, right click and search for play idle. Attach it to the output animation node and compile and save. Go to the blueprint folder. In characters folder, select BP character. In the animation component, anim instance class, select anim BP warrior that we have created. Hit compile and save. Hit play. You can see that our character is idly. Nice. So we have added idle animation. If we go to the anim source, right click and search for run animation. If we attach run animation, the idle animation is now disconnected. If I attach idle animation to the output animation node, the run animation is disconnected. To get rid of this, we will use state machine, which will allow to attach different animation to the output animation node. So right click and search for add new state machine. And name this warrior state machine. Attach it to the output animation. So double click to open this state machine. From the out pin, drag off and search for animation state. Name this state idle / run. Double click to open up this. Drag off the variable for character BP and search for get velocity. From the return value, break the vector. We have three values x, y and z. We are only concerned with the x value, so drag off from x value and search for not equal to. If the velocity in x-axis is not equal to 0, it means that our character is in running state. So search for select animation by bool. If this is true, then our character is running. So search for play run animation. If this is false, then our character is idling. So drag off and search for idle animation and attach it. Hit compile and save. Play. If I use A and D key, you can see that our character is now moving. Excellent work. We will add jump animation in our next lecture. My complete Unreal Engine 5 Android mobile game development course on Udemy website. Link in the description. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe and press bell icon to get regular update.